Hello guys, welcome to Gabby's Tech. Today, we're exploring the future of artificial intelligence in our video. Evolution of AI, how artificial intelligence will change the world in the next 10 years. Before we dive in, we want to give a special shout out to Bros Tech, a pioneering force in tech innovation. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to Bros Tech's channel for cutting-edge content. Want to receive a shout out in our next video? Comment below. From transforming industries to redefining daily life, AI's impact will be profound. Get ready to discover the exciting possibilities and challenges ahead as we delve into the world of artificial intelligence and explore its transformative power. Artificial intelligence is transforming our world. From smart homes to self-driving cars, AI's impact is undeniable. But what's next? Let's explore the future of AI and its potential evolution over the next decade. These evolution can be short-term advancement, mid-term breakthrough, or long-term transformation. I'm going to talk about all these and others, but I will begin with the short-term advancement. With the short-term advance, improved natural processing, NLP. There will be enhanced voice assistants, more accurate and context-aware voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. Better language understanding. AI will better comprehend nuances, idioms, and dialects. Applications. Customer service chatbots, voice-controlled smart homes, and language translation apps. Enhanced computer vision, healthcare. AI-assisted diagnosis, disease detection, and personalized treatment plans. Transportation, improved autonomous vehicles, traffic management, and surveillance systems. Applications, medical imaging analysis, facial recognition, and object detection. Increased adoption of edge AI, reduced latency, faster processing and decision-making in real-time applications. Improved IoT, enhanced smart home automation, industrial automation, and wearable devices. Applications, smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and remote monitoring systems. Midterm breakthroughs. By 2027, widespread adoption of explainable AI, XAI. Transparency, understanding AI decision-making processes and biases. Trust, increased confidence in AI systems for critical applications. Applications, healthcare, finance, and law enforcement. Advancements in reinforcement learning, complex decision-making. AI will learn from experience and adapt to new situations. Autonomous systems, improved self-driving cars, drones, and robots. Applications, game development, robotics, and autonomous systems. Integration of AI with the Internet of Things, IoT, seamless smart environments, AI-driven automation and control. Efficient resource allocation, optimized energy consumption, and resource management. Applications, smart homes, cities, and industrial automation. Long-term transformations. By 2030, autonomous robots for search and rescue. Improved navigation. Robots will adapt to dynamic environments. Enhanced sensing. Robots will detect and respond to emergencies. Applications, disaster response, space exploration, and environmental monitoring. Personalized AI-powered learning platforms, adaptive education, AI-tailored learning paths, and recommendations. Enhanced engagement, interactive and immersive learning experiences. Applications, virtual classrooms, intelligent tutoring systems, and educational software. Transformative healthcare with predictive analytics and AI-assisted diagnosis. Early disease detection, AI-driven predictive analytics. Personalized treatment, AI-assisted diagnosis and treatment planning. Applications, electronic health records, medical imaging analysis, and clinical decision support. The future of work, increased automation. Job displacement, automation may replace certain jobs. Upskilling and reskilling. Workers will need to adapt to new technologies. That's it for today's video on the future of artificial intelligence. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to like this video and subscribe.